In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Trello Workspace view. Start by opening your browser, heading to Trello.com and signing into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your Trello home. To get where we need to be, go to Boards. This shows the boards you have access to, neatly grouped under each workspace. If you're part of multiple workspaces, glance at the workspace list and choose the one that contains the board you want to work with. Now, open a board by selecting it. Inside the board, look toward the top left area of the page. You'll find the view control there. Sometimes it appears as a label like board or as a small icon that opens a menu of options. Click that control to reveal the available views. From here, you can switch between board view, table view, calendar view, dashboard, timeline, and map. Board view is the familiar Kanban style with lists and cards, perfect for day-to-day task management. Table view displays cards in a spreadsheet-like grid and is great for scanning fields such as assignees, labels, and due dates. Calendar view organizes cards by date. If a card doesn't show up here, add a due date and it will appear. Dashboard gives you quick charts and counts, such as cards by list, label, or member, which is helpful for spotting workload or bottlenecks. Timeline lays cards out across a schedule. It works best when cards have start and due dates so you can see how work overlaps. Map view plots cards with locations on an interactive map. If you don't see a card, add a location to it. Each view also includes filters so you can focus on specific labels, members, or lists. Use them to cut noise when your boards grow. In Timeline and Calendar, you can change the timescale to week or month to match your planning horizon. Choose the view that fits what you need right now. You can return to the classic board view at any time by opening the same control and selecting board. If you don't see a particular view, your workspace permissions or plan may limit which views are available. That's all there is to it. You went to Trello and signed in, opened boards, navigated to your workspace, selected a board, clicked the view icon at the top left, and picked the view that makes your work easiest to see. Experiment with different views when your focus changes, from planning on a timeline to checking dates on a calendar to scanning details in a table. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in Trello.